today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an employee profile in QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. This process is crucial for ensuring that employee information is organized and easily accessible, making payroll processing a seamless task. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your QuickBooks Desktop, and once you're in, navigate your way over to the menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to select Employees. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Employee Center. This area acts as a centralized place where all your employee profiles will be stored. You can think of it as a digital filing cabinet where each employee has their folder. Once you're in the Employee Center, locate the New Employee button. It should be somewhere near the top, easily noticeable. Clicking on this button opens up the New Employee window where you'll be entering all the necessary information about your new team member. This window is designed to guide you in gathering and inputting all the relevant details. Starting with the Personal tab, you'll see several fields that need to be completed. These fields require specific information like the employee's full legal name and social security number, among other personal identifiers. This tab ensures that the essential identity details are properly recorded, so pay close attention to accuracy when filling these fields. Next, move over to the Address and Contact tab. This is where you'll enter the employee's primary address, phone number, and any other contact details that might be relevant. Having accurate contact information is not just a formality, it's crucial for official communications and legal documentation, so make sure everything is up to date and free of typos. Then, shift your focus to the Employment Info tab. This tab is all about documenting the nature of your employee's role within the company. Here, you'll specify their hire date, job title, department, and payment details. These fields help you and the software track each employee's journey with the organization and manage payroll operations accurately. It's also where you might input details about pay rates and schedules, ensuring that payroll is processed smoothly later on. Once you've filled out these mandatory fields, you have the option to review everything for accuracy and completeness. It's good practice to double-check all the details you've entered. Errors at this stage can lead to issues down the line, so taking an extra moment to review can save you time and prevent headaches. With everything checked and confirmed, you can now save the new employee profile. This is usually just a matter of clicking OK or Save. Congratulations, you've successfully created an employee profile in QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your records are organized and used effectively for payroll processing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.